now is 11:19, and we have our veterinarian Dr. Joe on hand to answer your pet questions. He's not alone today. He's got Luna,
a Luna,
14-week-old Dachshund Beagle cross, and she is adorable.
Yeah, we were kind of talking about this. They say Dachshund Beagle. I don't know. She could be a Chiweenie with a little bit of Chihuahua or something. But she sure is cute. She got all the recessives. That's why she has green eyes. I don't know if that's going to show up on camera, but she is just cute as a button. She's a great little puppy. So.
And she's been all over all of us. She's kissing us. She's hugging us. She wants to hang out.
She's a lover. She really is.
One of you watching is taking her home.
That's
but
right.
We'll tell you how we're going to do that in a little bit. All right, let's get to our first question. It's from Annie. My dog is scared of fireworks. Common problem. How can I ease his anxiety this summer?
Yeah, when I tell people there's levels of anxiety, and the first rule is not to coddle him and not to actually encourage it by saying it's okay, it's okay. Most of the time you just come up to them and you put your hand on them and you try not to, you just pretend like this is normal everyday deal. If you reinforce that anxiety, that'll be a problem. If it gets really bad, some medication from your veterinarian. There's a thing called a thunder shirt. A lot of people ask me about it, and early on it kind of does that. It kind of swaddles them like a baby, but usually later on, if it gets pretty severe, with a lot of panting, a lot of drooling, you end up having to get some anti-anxiety or some sedation from your veterinarian. So.
Next question comes from Dylan. My dog is very old and her teeth are starting to fall out. What do you recommend?
I recommend when teeth are falling out that, you go see your veterinarian, because generally that's going to mean, that there's some infection and some roots that are gone bad or whatever. And really they probably need some antibiotics and a dental cleaning. So, really I'll tell people they have 42 teeth. They only need about 8 of them. So there are a lot of extra teeth in there. So don't get too excited. But when that does happen, at that point you need to, because that can be uncomfortable. If my tooth was falling out, I'd probably go see the dentist.
I probably would too.
Yeah, it would be thought, or some super glue. No, I'm just kidding. Just a joke. Just kidding.
No, we're going to take that as fact.
That's
okay.
Right.
Our last question comes from Emily. Why do cats eat grass?
No one knows exactly. That is something I'm going to ask when I die. But I assume it's kind of eating like roughage or lettuce for us or whatever. They're really carnivores, and honestly, they don't need a lot of fruits and vegetables. And a lot of them kind of vomit afterwards, and I don't know if it makes them vomit or their stomach is upset from it. Honestly, it doesn't hurt them too much if they do eat some. It's not real bad. I mean, grass isn't real clean, or whatever. So I try to dissuade my cats from doing that. But but yeah, nobody knows.
All right.
Short answer, who knows?
Maybe we'll get that answer soon.
That's right.
All right, now if you have a question for Dr. Joe about your pets, post it to our Facebook page. That's KJRH TV. If you are interested in adopting Luna, and we know you are, call the Pet Adoption League at the number on your screen. And if you want to learn more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital or see other pets who need homes, check out our website, kjrh.com. Dr. Joe, thank you so much.
Thank you.